told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself.
Curry powder, zira, and masala. My way in cooking fish curry. Let me know how you guys cook it. Gilbaka. I fry my gilbaka first. Sometimes I don't. I usually cook in the Guyana kahari, but for some reason I'm using this ceramic non-stick pan to cook in. I think the Guyana kahari cooks that way better.
Zero is our favorite number. 0 clouds, 0 mosquitoes, and 0 interest for up to 8.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
because we already fried the fish.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad,
Yeah.
baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up.
Okay guys, so we've added 1 cup of water to cook the okras and tomatoes and green mangoes. We're gonna cover it down and let it cook, and we'll be back to add the fried gilbaka. See you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to our page, Guyana Food and Recipe Group, delicious food around the world. Also our cooking channel on YouTube called Cooking with Vish Nalini for some real authentic Guyanese cooking. Alright, so we'll be adding our fried fish, our fried gilbaka. Guys, I love gilbaka head because I love to suck on the bones and stuff like that. So hence the reason why you see it's a lot of not a lot of flesh. a lot of gravy in our curry, so you know, just enough. I know a lot of people like a lot of sorwa, aka gravy.
Rana, Rana, Ranu, Rena, नजरिया लागे नहीं कहीं ओ नजरिया लागे नहीं कहीं नजरिया नजरिया लागे नहीं कहीं लागे न
Adding salt to taste.
It tastes really delicious. And guys, don't forget to join the page. I'll put a link in the description. And also the Guyana Food and Recipe group. There's lots of recipes in there. Please join it. I'll put a link for that too. And for the YouTube channel, please join. And again, let me hear how you guys cook your fish curry too. You can make your comment, no nasty comments, but just make your comments.
We only like nice comments, so if you have something bad to say, just scroll past.
Alright guys, we'll be back in a few minutes when it's done. Alright guys, this is a fish curry, Gilbaka, with okra and green mango. It's done here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share, comment. See you guys in the next video. Or hit the video on top and you can watch.